Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and what we have here is a really nice 69 Dodge D100, and this up there at John's garage having some brake work done on it. Check that out, 210 horsepower or 318. But he's having a disc brake conversion done to it. It's a two-wheel drive with the front straight axle, and he said he bought the kit right here out of North Carolina. Pretty cool. Old truck's in good shape. Excuse that heater right there. Truck's in really good shape. I believe he told me the gentleman's owned this truck for a long time. Maybe it might have bought it new. But let's up this door here and look inside here. It's automatic on the columns. Right, decent little seat looks nice. Dash pad looks nice. It's a pretty decent little truck. 69 Dodge D100. Grill looks good. I think with that little 318 engine, this truck's bulletproof. It'll run forever. Yeah, they're doing the power brake deal. This is what this is here. Yeah, they rebuilt that engine. It's got overspray on the exhaust manifolds. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Did not know they made a disc brake conversion kit for such a critter. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed that. I want to thank John for letting me do this video. And we'll be back in touch with you.